We live in South Texas, and during one particular drought, we had critters trying to get into our house, and my husband said to that pest control technician, be careful with all of the camera and video equipment around the bed because my wife makes videos there. And then he walked out. I'm like, oh my gosh, does he even know what that sounded like? So I run out into the hallway, go over to the pest control guy. I said, thank you so much for being careful with the equipment in there. I film time management tips, and you could just see this instant relief in his shoulders. We have something that sounds right in our heads, and the way it comes out is totally misinterpreted, and that's where a lot of miscommunication can happen. Raise your hand if you brush your teeth every day. You have to raise your hand, right? Otherwise, nobody will want to sit with you after lunch. So, what if you didn't brush every day? What if you saved up until the end of the month and then brushed for 90 minutes? That doesn't work, right? Bad things would happen. Same thing with not processing daily. You brush your teeth every day, you've got to process every day. A busy professional easily loses $10,000 per year in lost productivity. This is why it is so vital to crank up your productivity and time management skills.
What I'd like you to do right now is kindly take out your wallets. Yes, you heard correctly. I promise this is not a stick-up. Please take out your wallets. And for those of you who have cash with you, I want you to pull that cash. And when I count to 3, you're going to throw the cash up into the air. Okay? 1. Oh! I had people look away from me. I had one person roll her eyes. I had another one just sit down and say, I'm not doing this. You defended that. And that's the same way you need to protect your time. When it comes to time, we just throw it away. You do have the power to tell your time what to do.
I found it very enlightening.
Funny and articulate.
She was delightful. She listens well. I thought that she did a great job understanding and picking up what we do in our business. Her presentation was very helpful.
We have time leaks. Time leaks are where time just disappears, and it doesn't happen in a solid block. That's why we don't realize it's actually happening. It happens 1 minute over here, 2 minutes that way, you get an interruption, you get distracted. It can add up to 3 hours per day. If everything is a priority, then nothing is a priority. If all the stars align and you can finish everything that you're supposed to, do your little happy dance and celebrate. But then now you can start moving into the next level of priorities. No longer fear that to-do list. Embrace it. When you are having that crazy busy day and you feel like there are fire drills just coming at you, I want you to pause and take that deep breath and say to yourself, I will tell my time what to do. I want you to repeat that right now. I will tell my time what to do. And always remember, you do have the total power to tell your time what to do.